Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to change between the heat and the cool mode on your Samsung air conditioner. So as you can see, I have this Samsung air conditioner remote available. So you just have to simply press this power button on top of your Samsung remote in order to basically turn on your AC. So when it is turned on, you just have to simply locate the mode button, which is just in the right side of the power button. So you need to simply press the mode button repeatedly to cycle through the available modes. So as it can be seen here on the display, on the Samsung remote, you will find the auto mode. Then we have the cool mode, dry mode, and the heat mode. So when you see a snowflake icon or the cool written on the display, it means that you are using or you are in the cooling mode. So on the opposite side, if you see the sun icon or the heat written on top of the display, it means that you are currently on the heat mode. So whichever mode you want to basically switch between, you just have to simply select that and then simply use the temperature or the plus and the minus buttons in order to basically increase or decrease the temperature as per your mode. So after switching the modes, you just have to also wait for at least 2 to 5 minutes until it basically reflects that particular mode on your room. If you can't find the heat mode while pressing the mode button, your Samsung air conditioner is likely a cooling mode only. So I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.